last time on King of Flock, I spent, well, Sir Miles took the day off for some reason. Who cares? This is funny. This is my orders. Where's my morning coffee? Sir, coffee isn't invented yet, sir. Balls! This has got to be a sucky. Here's the couch, sir. Is it messy? I can't add to that, sir. Oh, okay. Oh, stop it! Stop the carrot! Is this the best you've got? Yes, sir! Oh, balls! 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 Your Highness! So, this is where we left off. So, we got it ready. Let's get ready for the feast. Where were you? I was getting the stick. Spent a whole day looking for that stick? Yes. That's a dumb way to waste your day. I guess you're right, sir. But I got a better jousting. This time. Balls! There. Is that it? No, sir. Not yet. It's taking you so long. Better not taste like balls. There we go. Now we are. Is the splitter ready yet? What's the food? We're just getting the staff. Okay. This tastes like balls! Let me try. This looks like balls! Go search for more food. I'll go this way, you go that way. Hey, where'd all the food go? Wonder what happened to it. Wonder what happened to the food. Wonder what happened to the food. Did the young squire eat it all? No. Hey, he ate it. Ow, 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 ow. What if soldiers just walked back? Is it just me or is the young squire digested already? Nope, it's not just you. Hey, I'm gonna go check out what the soldiers do. Oh, you just walked back into the castle. Seriously. Alright. Balls! Balls, you soldier! Balls! Balls! Your name is Balls! Remember, for the joust? I'm king. I'm king. You're Balls. Your name is Balls. You should be ashamed of yourself.